This is Shiva signing into Kololu lectures. Today we are going to discuss about the most basic concept in IIT, which is nothing but quadratic equations. So before going to it, let us once have a wide look on to the basics of these quadratic equations. Normally we know about algebraic expression. If an algebraic expression has been equated to 0, we will get an algebraic equation. So here if I see, if I take a quadratic polynomial, and if I equate it to 0, I will get a quadratic equation. So for example, let me take a quadratic polynomial which is nothing but ax squared plus bx plus c, and if I equate it to 0, which is nothing but, it is nothing but quadratic equation in variable x. Here one more thing which we need to notice is, here the condition of this quadratic equation is a should not be equal to 0, where a, b, c are constants, means let them belongs to complex numbers. Let them belongs to complex numbers. Here we are able to classify the quadratic equations as complete quadratic equation, incomplete quadratic equation, monoquadratic equation. So now, as it was very easy to go with the classification, pure quadratic equation, which is nothing but the coefficient of b should be is equal to 0, and at the same time, if either b or c is equal to 0, we will call it as incomplete quadratic equation. So now coming to here, if we have the quadratic equation in hand, what we can do? We cannot eat it. We have the chance only to calculate the variable of x. So here, as this expression, as this equation is involved in the variable x, so we are here now to calculate the value of the variable x. So here officially mathematically we will call the variable of x which will satisfy the equation is nothing but root. Root is nothing but variable x which satisfies ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So if I see here, the degree of the quadratic equation is 2. I mean, so we have at most 2 roots. We have at most 2 roots for a quadratic equation. So in order to calculate the value of the root, we have some sort of techniques, which is nothing but factorization technique, and we can go for completing the squares method, and at the same time direct formulae, which we can call it as normally Sridharacharya's rule. So these are the 3 methods which we have in order to calculate the value of x. So as we have factorization method, then why we are going to completing the squares method? and then why we are going to Sridharacharya's way. So regarding this entire thing, we will go for the next video. And this is just a somewhat the introduction regarding the basics of the quadratic equation. So this is the right time to sign off. So this is Shiva signing off from Koluru Lectures. So we will again join in the next video, which is nothing but we are going to discuss about factorization method. Thank you so much.